In this video, we will take a look at how to center our entire website in the browser. Before I show you, let me hit on F5. When I load this page in the browser, this is what happens. It aligns to the left. This is not what we want. So let's minimize this and see how we can go about that. Let's go to Page. Under Page, let's go to Site Properties. Under Site Properties, let's go to Page Alignment. Click on the drop-down arrow and select Center Horizontally. Now click on OK. And there should be a warning asking, are you sure you want to update the page property of all pages in the website? Let's click on OK. Now let's hit on F5 again to see what the change will be. So the page has been centered in our browser as we wanted, but there are some border over here that we don't really want in our project. Let's see how best we can get rid of the border. Let's double click in the layer 2 for the header. Now let's go to Style. Under Style, let's go to Border. Let's click on the drop down arrow and select None, and let's make the width 0. Now let's click on OK. You realize the size of the header layer has reduced a bit. To confirm that, we can easily see that at the bottom here. It used to be 970 pixels by 100 pixels. Now it has reduced by 2. Yes, because the border was for the top, down, left and right, and they were both 11 pixels. So that is the cause. Now let's change it back, the size of our header, to 970 by 100 pixels. And let's hit on OK. Now let's preview to see the change. Okay, so it has taken effect as we wanted it to be. But the footer is still the same. So let's do the same to the footer. The same procedure, double click in your footer, come to Style, under Border, select the None for Style and change the weight to 0. Click on OK and change the size back to its default size, 970 pixels by 50 pixels. Now let's hit on OK and hit on F5 again. Exactly what we wanted. So this video, we've learned how to center our entire website in the browser.